Living Choice has a proud record of building leisure centres which have the wow factor. Now they have taken village leisure facilities to a new level in southern Adelaide with the opening of a $7 million luxury leisure centre at Living Choice Woodcroft. The centre replaces an old green shed provided by the previous owner of the village and includes a large auditorium with stage and dance floor, an art, craft and function room, a library and computer room, gymnasium, indoor heated pool and billiards area. Resident goodwill and sales are at an all-time high, and there has been high praise from the surrounding community.